Low Country Walkthrough, sponsored by Jeff Cook Real Estate.
Welcome back to Living Local. Joining us today, a real estate expert from Jeff Cook Real Estate.
Hi Ashley, thanks for having us today. I'm Brad Williams, an expert real estate with Jeff Cook Real Estate, and today we're at 3213 Charlie Jones Boulevard in the Johns Island community.
All right, perfect. Where are we going to start first?
Let's go to the kitchen first, Ashley.
Okay, what's going on in there? Beautiful countertops, I see.
Yes, stone countertops on the large island. It has smooth ceilings, floor molding, ceiling molding, pendulum lighting, recessed lighting, and Samsung stainless appliances.
Wow, I love the cabinetry as well.
Yeah, beautiful white cabinets.
And it's very, very open, especially when it comes into the living space here, right?
It is an open floor plan concept, perfect for entertaining guests.
So, Brad, tell us about the bedrooms.
Okay, the master bedroom, it's on the main level. It has a private sitting area that leads out to the back porch. Smooth ceilings, recessed lighting in there, and that leads into a wonderful master bathroom. Which
everyone loves, a great master bathroom.
Oh, yes.
Okay, and so there's one bedroom on the first floor, or?
Yes, just the master's on the main level, yes.
Okay, and then what's going on upstairs?
You have two separate bedrooms up there, both spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets.
Okay, and then I saw this is a big piece of land.
Yes, it's an acre. It's very flat, private, and a great space out there.
Great space for a bunch of dogs, or?
Could be dogs,
having a party
family,
out there?
Kids, a lot of opportunity out there.
Okay, so if you had to say who you think this would be perfect for right here in Johns Island, who would you think of?
Maybe the buyer that thinks, I want some land, I want a new construction home, I want a custom home, and I want a home without an HOA.
And some privacy, right?
That's right, plenty of privacy out here on Johns Island.
Okay, Brad, is there anything else we need to know before we go?
Yes, Ashley. As you know, we sell homes on average 30 days faster than the competition, so don't miss out. If you're interested in listings or scheduling a private showing, give us a call, 843-501-0501, or join us online at jeffcookrealestate.com.
All right, thanks for having me.
Thank you, Ashley.
More Living Local coming your way. Stay tuned.